It's going to be your assignment to do questions 2 and 3. But before you can do those, before I trust you to actually be able to do those, let's go back and do one more example together. And that's example 2. In example 2, we need to read the situation and see if there are any errors. And if there's a mistake, we need to fix it. In part A, Aaron, that's a weird way to spell Aaron, but Aaron sells 3 shirts and 2 pairs of trousers. If you don't like talking about trousers, you can replace that word with pants. He sold 3 shirts and 2 pairs of pants for $140. He also sells 1 shirt and 1 pair of pants for $55. The equations he wrote were 3x minus 2y equals 140 and x minus y equals 55. And he did that to represent the total amount of each sale. So look at this keyword, total amount. Total amount. Here's the total amount. And that 140 for that total amount comes from selling shirts and pants. Pants. He doesn't do anything else to get that $140. All he does is sell shirts and pants. If he's selling these shirts and these pants, is this the correct equation that says he sold 3 shirts and he also sold 2 pants? He sold 3 shirts and he sold 2 pants. If he was selling both of these, would one of those numbers be positive but the other one be negative? Does that make sense? If he's selling this one and he's selling this one, shouldn't they have the same sign? They should. So, and another hint is that it's talking about the total. That's what we want, is the total. So that should have been 3x plus 2y to equal $140. I think he did the variables just fine. The shirts are the x's, the y's are the pants. But let's make sure with the second one. X minus y equals 55. That's for the second sentence, where it says he sells 1 shirt, 1 pair of pants for $55. So it's 1 shirt, 1 pant. 1 shirt, 1 pant. He's selling them, so they need to have the same sign, and together they make $55. So Aaron made a mistake. Aaron subtracted y from x when he should have added them. Okay, I want you to take a moment, pause the video, try to answer this one on your own. See if there's any mistake in this situation. Pause the video. Play it when you think you have an answer. Let's do this. Amanda has $20 to buy groceries. So something about a total might have to do with $20. Amanda left the grocery store with $7.37. She went there with $20. She left with $7.37. So if she still had $7.37, that means she didn't spend it all. But let's see if that's important. There was a total of 6 bags of onions and potatoes. So somehow, onions and potatoes are going to have to add together to make 6. And if I look down, I see that equation. That looks good. All right, so the story didn't say anything about the sale prices, so we can just possibly assume that this is correct on the left. X is the number of onions, Y is the number of bags of potatoes. Let's see if she did that right. This is fine, but we just have to make sure that this matches that. If X are the onions, then we should see $1.29 next to X. We do, so that's good. Y are the potatoes, so we should see $2.92 next to Y. We do, that's good. I already thought that X plus Y equals 6 looks good. Now let's just see about this number 20. That comes from the first and second sentence. She has $20 to buy groceries, but she comes back from the store with $7.37. So she did not buy this amount of groceries and it costed $20. She had $20. She had $7.37 as change, which means that she actually spent the difference between those, which is $12.63. So right here should be $12.63 because that's how much she spent at the store. That's how much money she lost because she traded that money for her onions and potatoes. I don't know what she's making with that, but it sounds delicious. Potatoes, onions, and eggs. That's good. Maybe a soup. I don't know. But she was wrong. Make sure you write that down in your journal as your answer, or if you're writing on this sheet, that's fine too. Now that we've done that example, you know enough to go ahead and do question number 2 and question number 3 on your own.